currently doing my valve cover, repainting it. I finished degreasing it, cleaned it, and then the previous owner used some paint that wasn't rated for high temperature. So right now I'm waiting for it to strip. This is paint stripper. It's a gel. I'm not sure how good it is, so this is my first time using it. It's a gel, so you just kind of brush it over, let it sit for a bit. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna try to, hopefully it comes out easily. Once it comes out, we'll clean it again with brake cleaner. We have some high heat primer. We're gonna prime it maybe 2 coats, and then we have some high heat engine paint rated up to 550 Fahrenheit. We're probably gonna do 3 or 4 coats, just because I want to do it once and be good forever. So we're probably gonna do like 4 coats of that. Alright guys, so I let the paint strip sat here for 20 minutes, and then actually did a really good job. I started using brake cleaner, and the brake cleaner was getting rid of it, but it was way too slow, and I only have 2 bottles, so I ended up pressure washing it. And the pressure washer at 2000 psi works pretty damn good. There's a few spots I could apply more paint stripper in, but I'm not gonna be worried about it. I'm just gonna start painting it over it. If you guys are worried about spraying water on it, don't worry, because this is made of aluminum, so it won't rust or anything like that. We are gonna do the first layer. This is just the primer. Go ahead and spray 2 more coats. This is the second coat. I'm gonna let it dry for 15 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and apply the main coat, which is the red color. Alright, I didn't get the first shot of the first coat, but now I'm doing the second coat. It's been almost about 20 minutes after the first coat has dried up. So we're gonna do 2 coats, and then I'm just gonna let it dry for the day, because I got some other stuff to do. And then probably tomorrow I'll go ahead and slap on 2 more coats, because I'm still waiting for some more parts before I put my valve cover on. So here's the second coat. This is the paint that I'm using. I showed you guys this earlier already. Got this from AutoZone, but any high temperature paint will work. And then the color is just the desire for your choice. This can of paint is coming out really bad right now. It's really bubbling. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it wasn't spraying as good as it was on the first time. So you guys can barely see it, but it's really bubbly. And that's not normal for this type of paint, but to be honest, I'm not too picky about what it's gonna look like as long as it's red and it's nice and clean. That's all I care. You guys can see the nozzle here. Act like it's getting clogged up or something. You guys see that? That's actually pretty cool. It kind of comes out in a texture now. But yeah, that's it guys. This is a quick video. Hope you guys enjoy. Follow me on Instagram. Keep you guys updated. See you guys next time. Bye bye.